So good morning once again, guys. Welcome back to our new video. Today we're gonna replace the clutch kit for a Toyota Fortuner 2016. um, Here's the car over here on the hoist. So yeah, we already skimmed the flywheel. Yeah, and this is the transmission over here. Yeah. So the good thing of this kit has already a clutch disc guide and release bearing with a new pivot bearing. So yeah, that is for today, guys. Yeah, thanks very much for watching again, and if you don't have subscribe yet my channel, please do so, and thanks very much for watching. See you next time.